Pros and cons of multi-paned windows. When it's time to replace your windows, you have lots of decisions to make. From choosing the right kind of frame to deciding whether you prefer a sliding or double-hung style, you'll quickly discover that there are lots of factors that impact window selection. What are multi-paned windows? As the name suggests, multi-paned windows have 2 or 3 layers. The spacing between the panes is around 1/2 inch, but it can sometimes be thinner. Usually, the space is filled with either argon or krypton gas that helps to reduce heat transfer between the inside and outside of the window. During the window selection process, we can help you decide whether your home needs double or triple panes along with the best type of insulating gas. Pros of multi-paned windows. Multi-paned windows are known for being more energy efficient, which can help you enjoy greater energy savings. The pockets of gas-filled space between the panes serve as insulation that reduces energy loss between the interior and exterior of your home. Multi-paned windows, with their multiple panes and gas fills, provide effective insulation against outside noise, offering homeowners the immediate benefit of a quieter home. Using multiple panes helps control condensation by maintaining a more regulated temperature, preventing moisture buildup that can cause damage around the frame. Cons of multi-paned windows. Multi-paned windows come with few downsides, but using multiple layers of glass and special gas can cost more due to the increased materials and labor. While you may pay more for the windows initially, you should see a return on your investment over time as you receive lower utility bills. The multiple components of multi-pane windows also means that they can lose their energy efficiency if the seal breaks. Knowing who to call for Mesa Glass installation and repair services helps to minimize this concern, since you'll be able to replace or fix the window before it impacts your utility bills or comfort. When it's time for a window replacement, it makes sense to consider an upgrade that provides decades of benefits that improve your lifestyle. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.